If you are trying to replace an old exhaust fan, here are some cross-reference resources that you can use. Grainger, MSc Industrial Supply, Zorro, Fantech, and Air King. To find a cross-reference, firstly locate the model number of the old fan. This is usually found on a label or a metal plate. Secondly, visit the websites listed above and use their search tools to look up the model number. Thirdly, if a cross-reference is available, it will list alternative models that may fit the same specifications. If you cannot find a direct cross-reference, you can also provide the following information to the manufacturers or distributors. Firstly, dimensions of the old fan including the housing and blades. Secondly, the voltage and amperage requirements. Thirdly, any other relevant specifications or images. If a cross-reference is not available or the replacement fan is too expensive, consider these alternatives. Some companies, such as Fantech and Green Egg, offer retrofit fan kits that can fit into the existing housing of the old fan. You can also consider an exhaust fan insert. This is a smaller fan that can be installed inside the old housing, allowing you to update the fan without major renovations. If the old fan is located in a window, you may be able to install a window fan as a replacement. Here are some tips. Contact the manufacturer directly if possible, as they may have legacy information on discontinued models. Be patient, as finding a cross-reference or alternative solution may take some time and effort. Consider consulting with an electrician or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning specialist if you are unsure about any electrical or ventilation requirements.